Well, here we are. It's been a long, arduous process, but for most intents and purposes, I think I'm pretty much set with this 82 C70, which is basically Honda Super Cub in its later days, with a 72cc motor, 3-speed, semi-automatic gearbox, manual shift out of the clutch. Bought it with about 10,000 miles on it, but it had been stored forever, and so it took a lot of stuff to just kind of clean out the fuel system, clean out the tank, replace the tires, clean and replace carburetor. Got